Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change the minimap size in Valorant. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Valorant, then just go right top corner to settings, or like if you have settings in game, just press escape, and then you're gonna see in general, and you're gonna see minimap size. What I recommend is having like the lowest minimap size, so you see only mainly the game and not the map, and just decrease it even the minimap zoom. That's just my recommendation, what I would do and what I do, and that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guides and support. You know how it works, you know how it goes, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.